Hey everybody, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and in this video from series 3 months to number 1, I will be telling you how to edit images on blog post pages and collections. Basically, we have already discussed how to edit images within content, so we know how to do that. But if you've got featured image like that, and this kind of featured image you will have with your collection page, with your blog post, I think mainly those two items when it comes to Shopify. So if you've got this image, remember that you can also edit it and add SEO friendly alt tag. So under update, click on edit image, and here I have already updated, and here you've got a field to add your alt tag. So remember to edit it as well as part of your whole website optimization. So this is one of the extra tips on how to improve your Google rank and how to get to Google page 1 within 3 months. And if you'd like to learn more about SEO tips, how to optimize your website, and how to speed your Google rank, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Leave a thumbs up if you like this video and leave a comment below. Thank you so much. Bye bye.